Gosh, I am so bored. 10 minutes to airtime. I think I'll post another gorgeous selfie of myself, and dare my fans to roast me. This should be fun.
So you want to be roasted, huh? Your implants are a cry for attention on here, and only highlight what you and everyone else already suspect. You are insecure. Likely your insecurity stems from always questioning if you really ever earned anything by merit. Most people probably hand you things because they like looking at you. But that has made you vapid, shallow and unable to perform in any way that adds value to the world. Your relationships are superficial. Your romance life always is the shadow of doubt. Does he love you, or how you look? If you were disfigured, would anyone give you a second glance based on personality? The nagging feeling will keep you looking for validation. It keeps you in the gym. It makes you post photos online, looking for praise or positive attention. It keeps you going back for a nip here, and a tuck there. Before long you will look like Donatella Versace, with the personality of one of her handbags. You will shift from being the center of attention, to being part of a gaggle of women, who make crude comments about younger girls, because you feel jealous. And you will make crude comments about the men who no longer pay attention to you. You would be better served working on being a better person than hunting for attention on Instagram and Facebook, but you will likely die young and your grave will be as shallow as your personality. And send. Ha ha ha.
That was brutal. How could this day get any worse?
One minute to air. Places everyone.